How to delete Google account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete your Google account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can delete your Google account in many ways. First of all, on your Android phone, open any Google application. Could be YouTube, could be Google Play Store, could be Google browser itself. Any Google app, doesn't really matter, because on every Google app you'll find your profile icon from the top right or the bottom right, so you have to make sure to tap on that. Then you'll find an option called manage your Google account, so this will take you to the Google account management page. Once we are here on the manage your Google account page, from here what we want to do is simply go to data and privacy. And once you go to the option known as data and privacy, what you want to do is simply scroll down here, and once you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll find an option under more options that says delete your entire Google account. So now you can tap on delete your Google account option, select a reason as to why you want to delete it, and you also need to be cautious, because if you have anything saved to Google, such as your Google Photos, your Google passwords, or maybe if your Facebook is connected to Google, any social media app that is connected to your Google account, you will not be able to access those as well. So keeping that very thing in mind, head over with the cautions and you can just tap on continue option, and once you've done that, your Google account will get successfully deleted. This way you can delete Google account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.